Start lifting up one corner at a time. Do not burn these main button switches. That's plastic. Not use force. Use force with this, and then we will take the pad with it, and then fixing with the mouse is lots of harder. Yeah, it's coming off nicely. Remember, this is a broken switch, so you don't take it completely intact. Come on, get it up. There we go. Now, these Chinese switches have long legs, and you have to make them a little bit shorter because that metal clip that we removed earlier will make a shortcut. Nice design. Indeed, it will shortcut if you don't cut those legs. So, 2 cuts. Just make them a little bit shorter. You don't have to make them very much. Just a little bit. And don't worry if you break this switch, I have over 90 more of those. So I will clean the pads of extra tin and leave one with tin and add a little bit more solder there. We need the solder. Not much is needed. Just a tiny drop. Oh, that's too much, but it doesn't matter. The switch works like nothing, so it takes like a little bit practice to solder these SMD switches on. And just solder the legs. Too much now. There we go. And there we. And then we have the new switch in place. As you can hear, very loud click. So, now let's test if this switch work. So basically you just take the USB cable, plug it to the computer, do not assemble it just yet, and then put the mouse cursor on the link, and press the middle mouse button. And you can see it opened a new page. It works very nicely. So, now we have tested it. So it's time to assemble it again.